Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope we're all drinking our water and minding our business. So as you can see, today my left hand is looking a bit chopped, looking very chocolate. We're going to fix that. I'm going to show you guys how to do an easy Gelx application using this Lizette Gel Nails rechargeable portable LED lamp. And also I will be using some of her bits that I had purchased. Very cute, very, nice and gold. So yeah, let's get into it. First things first, we are going to prep our nails. So you already know, push back the cuticles. Now we're gonna go in with our sanding band to remove the shine so we can. Make sure that you're not over filing your nails, because then you can get the ring of fire and you'll be damaging your natural nail and your nails will be sensitive, and you definitely do not want that. The way in which you position your fingers with your e-file will determine everything on how you file. It's very important. I'm using my pinky and my ring finger to support this finger that I have up, and I have my drill between my middle and pointer, and my thumb is on it. This is going to give you stability. So I'm gonna use the swipe and just brush off. Today we will be using the Opry system, so I will be using the long square soft gel sculpted tips. It comes in 10 sizes, so I'm just going to size my nails. See how it's like very square? I'm going to round it so it can fit the well of my own nail. Alright, so now we're gonna just etch the inside of them. This is going to help you Make sure that you don't have any lifting and your nails don't pop off. Alright, now that I etched the inside of the tips, I'm going to dehydrate and use 2 coats of primer, but letting them dry in between. And again, this is the Opry system. This is the Opry Extend Gel. They have this in a bottle and a pot, but this is literally like done. So I'm going to be using an alternative, which works just the same. I will be using the Gershon base coat. We're also going to be using this Lizette Gel Nails lamp, which I'm so excited about. So you're going to take the brush and you're going to paint it inside of the edge part of the nail. Then you're going to take some more and scoop that product at the bottom of the nail. And I like to move it towards the sides and stuff so everything can get covered. If you need more product, you put more. I needed more because these are sculpted tips. My nails are kind of flat. Then you're going to turn on your flash cure lamp and you are going to place the nail on your finger at a 45-degree angle and press down. Make sure to only cover the nail and don't let it touch your skin. Then you're going to put it underneath the lamp for at least 30 seconds so it can cure. So if it start burn, just take your finger from the lamp, but keep holding that nail down and then put it back underneath. It will do that because it's in its curing process. Okay, now that they are applied, I'm just gonna go ahead and file and shape them. I did make sure to do a full cure. Now I'm gonna go in with this medium fine bit to clean up around my cuticle area. Y'all, I really do not know what happened to the footage of me sealing my cuticles, but I just went in with the same Purple sanding band to remove the shine off of these nails. Alright, this is how it looks after everything. Watch nice cuticle. I put a clip of how it looks at the end when I designed it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Always remember, I'm minding my business and you should too. See you in my next video.